Ready to earn money by reselling goods and tickets? It's easier than you might think. Whether it's flipping sneakers, gadgets, or concert tickets, there is a serious cash to be made. And guess what? You don't need to be an expert to get started. I'll guide you through this lucrative side hustle with tips and tricks that will have you raking in the dough. Let's start with reselling goods. Many people begin by hitting up thrift store, garage sales, and state sales. The thrill comes from finding hidden gems that others overlooked, flipping them online for a profit. You can start small with just $200 and grow from there. For example, imagine finding a vintage jacket for $10 at a garage sale. After a quick online research, you discover it's worth $100 on eBay. That's a $90 profit from a single purchase. The beauty of reselling is that you can do this repeatedly, building a steady income stream. Focus on items that are easy to ship and have broad appeal, like vintage clothing, collectible toys, and small electronics. The strategy is simple: buy cheap, sell for more, and repeat. It might take some time and effort, but with persistence, you can turn this side hustle into a serious income. However, reselling isn't just about buying and selling. It's hard work. You will need to research products, take photos, list them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Mercari, and then handle shipping and customer service. It can be time-consuming, but the rewards can be worth it. If you want to stand out in the resale market, consider specializing in a niche. This could be anything from vintage electronics to rare vinyl records or exclusive pop culture merchandise. Focusing on a specific category allows you to become an expert, making it easier to spot good deals and appeal to a dedicated customer base. Niche markets often have less competition, allowing you to see higher prices and achieve better profit margins. Now, if you're into sneakers, you're in luck. The sneaker resale market is hot right now. A single pair of shoes can bring in hundreds of dollars in profit. The key is knowing which sneakers are in demand and how to get them. For instance, Jordans, Dunks, and Yeezys are always popular. If you can score a pair in a release day, you can often sell them for a hefty profit. Remember, it's not just about the shoes, but also the sizes. Popular men's sizes like 9 to 12 usually sell the fastest. Clean, well-maintained sneakers sell for more. So take the time to clean them before listing. A little effort goes a long way. Once you have mastered individual items, consider going wholesale to boost your profit. The idea is simple: buy items in bulk at a lower cost per unit, then sell them individually at a markup. For example, buying 100 phone accessories at a fraction of the retail price can double your investment if you sell them at competitive prices. Wholesale saves time since you will have a steady supply of products, but it does require more upfront investment and storage space. Next, let's talk about ticket reselling. This is where things get really interesting. The principle is the same: buy low, sell high, but the stakes can be much higher. For example, buying concert tickets for $100 and selling them for $500 closer to the event is entirely possible. Focus on high-demand events like the concerts from the big-name artists Taylor Swift, Drake, BTS, who have massive followings. Scoring tickets during pre-sales is key since they are usually cheaper and offer better seats. Generally, admission or VIP tickets are often more desirable as they allow fans to get close to the performers, commanding higher prices. Timing is crucial. You want to buy early but sell before prices drop. For instance, if an artist announces additional shows, it could cause ticket prices to plummet. Always watch the market and be ready to adjust your strategy. Ticket reselling comes with risks. Events can be cancelled, artists can add more dates, or demand might be lower than expected. But with careful planning and some luck, the rewards can far outweigh the risks. Be mindful of fees from platforms like Ticketmaster and StubHub, as they can eat into your profits. Diversify your events by including sports, theater, and comedy shows to minimize risk. Start small, learn as you go, and scale up gradually. With an eye for deals and a bit of hustle, you can build a profitable side business.